Hi, good evening. This is Pratik Vedha from Karma Management, and today we have had a CEO and FM Roundtable Conference at Chennai. So we have with us Mr. Manish from Schneider Electric. So just would like to ask you what was like today's feedback and how would you rate us?
No, I'll just share with you my thoughts. This is a good, well organized event. I think for a long time, such a forum was missing across, and we would like to see more such events happening across the country. Per se, if we have been requesting AIFM one more thing that if we can do specific topic-wise presentations or workshops, so based upon that particular thing, we'll be more than willing to do that, because at Schneider we believe in knowledge sharing, and also feedback from the FM community as to what exactly they want to hear from us. If such inputs are given by AIFM, we'd be more than willing to do that.
Thank you very much, and you've been associated with us since long, like as a strategic partner. And of course, you've been also having the feedback about your session and what about Schneider Electric. They want to basically your product and everything. So how's the feedback from the participants and all, like what is the feedback, and is it helping you in this?
Helping me, difficult to answer. Only the participants can tell whether they are helped, because see, Schneider as a brand is already well known in this particular market segment. We got aligned with AIFM primarily because we wanted to do more than just sell products to these people. We wanted to come out with new global practices which are prevalent across the world, may not be available in India, but yes, across the world we want to bring in those knowledge resources and engage with them more as a knowledge partner. We wanted FM to see us as a knowledge sharing partner. So I think that is a journey which has been started. I think we have few more events to come. So hopefully after 3 or 4 or 5 events, we should be going back and looking at how much helpful it has been or not to achieve our objective, and we would look at honest feedback from your side to come back.
Any areas of improvement you would like to share with us? In fact, as far as the conference goes, or any other topic you would like to, as you already say that want specific topic wise thing, but any other areas of improvement you would like to basically just share with us?
I think it's a beginning. We also see a scope of not a day-long event, but city-based roundtable conference, breakfast meetings, typically where we can see selected top industry FM industry people coming together to discuss on particular topic, because getting these people on, it should be much difficult task for you as well, and those people we can do that. So that is one area which we can look at it. Yes, of course. If you want to ask, I can always ask for more. We could have possibly had 150 people here. That is always there, but then I understand it is very difficult. One is roundtable conferences, more of feedbacks coming from the facility managers on what exactly their challenges are. If those AIFM can provide, then we can possibly work together to do more things.
Great. Thank you very much for your feedback, and look forward to see you at the annual conference on March 16th. Thank you very much. Yeah, all the best. Thanks.